In this video, we'll take a look at graphing a linear equation in the form of ax plus by equals c, where a or b is 0. And in this example, we're given the equation y equals 2 and asked to graph it. An equivalent equation to this would be 0 times x plus y is equal to 2 if we put it in standard form for a linear equation, recognizing that 0 times x is still 0, so that we have an equivalent equation to what we started out with. And you can see here with the 0 times x, no matter what number we choose for x, y will always equal 2. So let's graph this by selecting some points. If we choose a 0 for x, replacing the variable with that value and simplifying, we end up with y equal 2, which we can summarize as the ordered pair 0, 2. Choosing another value for x, say x equal 2, replacing it in the equation, multiplying by 0 is 0, leaving us with y equals 2. Or the ordered pair 2, 2, which we've now graphed as well as the last point. One more point if we choose x equal a -1. Same outcome. The x value is being canceled out with the multiplication by 0, leaving us with y equal 2, and we'll plot this third value that we found. When we draw the line containing these 3 points, you can see that a horizontal line was obtained. And actually, any ordered pair of the form x2 is going to be a solution, regardless of the x value. When the equation is y equal 2, we will always have a horizontal line and points that are lying on that line. The line, if we describe it, is parallel to the x-axis and has a y-intercept of 0, 2.